The new 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV will be making its global premiere at the Geneva Motor Show next month. The Outlander PHEV, which has been Europe's best-selling plug-in hybrid vehicle since 2015, is set to be updated in 2019 with a more powerful electric motor, new petrol engine and revised styling. We'll get our first look at it in the metal during the show. The 2019 model is promising a 15% increase in battery capacity, pushing it to 13.8 kilowatt-hours, and a 10% increase in battery output. Also, the electric motor is receiving a 10% increase in output, but as the battery is being upgraded at the same time, it suggests that drivers will not have to sacrifice range despite the additional power available. Currently, the Outlander PHEV comes with the pure electric range of around 25 miles, so expect similar from the 2019 model. The mechanical side of the powertrain has been updated too, as the sole internal combustion engine available, a petrol, is now a 4-cylinder 2.4-liter Atkinson cycle unit. Put simply, that last part means the engine has a different compression stroke compared to a traditional unleaded engine in order to increase economy, a common technique in modern hybrids. Beyond the technical headlines, the Outlander PHEV is getting a larger rear spoiler, new 18-inch alloy wheel design and a more substantial front grille. Inside, Mitsubishi has added quilted leather, hip-hugging seats, useful for the new sport and snow driving modes, a new instrument panel and revised switchgear. As yet there has been no mention of price, but it is expected to be in the same ballpark as the outgoing Outlander PHEV model, which is available from £34,805.